Well, we're all trying to stay healthy during this pandemic, but some groups are getting sick with coronavirus at higher rates than others, and it's taking a toll on more than just their health. Mekialaya looked into this for us. So, Mek, what did you find out?
Well, Dominic, we know that minorities are being adversely impacted by COVID-19, but this new data is showing the impact on Latinos. I spoke with Carlos Martinez. He is helping head up this research here. So his nonprofit, Latino Community Foundation of Colorado, partnered with national research company Latino Decisions and found there are significant inequities when it comes to testing. He tells me 44% of Latinos with symptoms locally reported that they were unable to get a COVID test. He says they then run the risk of impacting family members, and a lot of these families are intergenerational. Now, 1/3 reported that they have lost their jobs during the pandemic, and roughly 20% of Latino family-owned businesses have shut down. Now, he hopes that by putting this data out there, there is more awareness and resources to help.
The rebuilding, a lot of times in communities, happens really fast, and a lot of times leaves our communities behind. And so we just have to make sure that as we move forward, we are not left behind, because what COVID also did, it really exposed the inequities that we have in our communities. And if we are truly going to be a great state here in Colorado, nobody can be left behind.
Now, he also discussed the educational aspect and the concern that students may be falling behind because of the digital divide, that's access to internet. Now, for more on this study or a list of those resources, just head to cbsdenver.com. We'll have a link listed for you a little later this morning. For now, though, we're live in Denver. Mekialaya covering Colorado First.
Appreciate that, Mekialaya.